Grace Hill, sir.
Sir, may ano, pawit na lang tayo pati may pababang 4 wheels.
Okay, sige.
Sir, pwede mas clear.
Sige, so yun. Diretso na tayo.
really give a damn about the way you touch me when we're alone. You can hold my hand if no one's home. Do you like it? No way. If I wanna hurt my body, baby, would you love me the same? I can feel all my bones coming back and I'm craving motion. Mama never really learned how to live by yourself. It's a curse and it's growing. You're a pond and I'm an ocean. Oh, my emotions feel like explosions when you are around. And I found a way to kill the sound. Oh, baby, I am a wreck when I'm.
Sir, parking natin sa baba po.
Sa taas, sir, pwede ba doon?
Pa?
Sa taas, parang malapit.
Ay, hindi po sir. Puno po kasi private villa namin. Dito po talaga parking ng Grace Hill.
Ah.
Ay ba sir?
Wait lang, dito muna, bibidyohan. Pag pumunta doon. Para ang regalo mo. Ganda pala dito ng view, no?
Mabigat ba? Parang ako.
Hindi ka nakikita.
Maliit kasi ako.
Sikatan Cafe. Wow, parang ano siya, yung Casa Peregrine. Yung vibe niya, parang Casa Peregrine. Flowers for you. Coffee na lang tayo. Saan pa mag-drive? Uy, kakatakot to. Nakakatakot naman yun. Kuha lang ako.
Kaya na ma'am? Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry nga.
So, dito. Parte na lang din kami dito. Anong ano yun? Fried bangus with eggplant and egg. Saka pizza nga. Supreme pizza isa. Thank you.
Itanong mo sa akin kung sino aking mahal.